Hi, welcome to this inVR tutorial. Today we're going to be covering basics of occlusion culling in Unity 3D. You ever seen set up here as per usual? And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come over here to our hierarchy tab. And I have all my objects parented under an empty game object called assets. So do the same and then come here and click static. Change children. Alternately, if you just want the occlusion, you can just select that, occluder static. But for me, it doesn't matter, so I'm going to click them all. Okay, next, you're going to want to come over to the window tab and click occlusion colon. That'll make a new tab here called occlusion. Camera. Okay, you're going to want to come in here to baked, and I'm just going to show you real quick. The only thing you really need to pay attention to is smallest occluder. If I have it set to 5, it takes this grid here, should make it more dense. You can only see it through the camera, so you have to have the camera selected. Set your smallest occluder to 5, and just hit bake. And this overall box is the size of our occlusion grid, which it will use to remove stuff as it sees fit. You can actually see here, it started to remove the walls. This is on 5, so the grid isn't very dense. Not showing us there. Okay, this is the size of the grid. It's not very dense at all. We're going to come back in and we're going to set the occlusion, the smallest occluder, to 1. Rebake it. There we go. We get a much better grid now. And then let's go to visualization here, and you can see it's removing much more of the stuff, saving us a bunch more polygons. Okay, so occasionally we do get this problem with occlusion culling. See, okay, right here, if you look through the game camera, it's occluding this area behind this fence. And that is because it sees the fence kind of as a wall, and it tries to occlude that area behind it. And we need to fix that, so we're going to come into the scene and then go to inspector. Uncheck the fence from static, just the fence, and then you're going to rebake occlusion, and that should fix it. And there we go.